Hey, are you a small business owner? Do you need to step up your video game from just clips to a planned out video but don't know how? In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to plan a simple video for your business that you can shoot and edit all on your iPhone. If this sounds like the video for you, keep watching. Now in this video, I'm going to be going over how to plan a business video, the PDF freebie. It is down in the description below, so you can go ahead and print it out. And I'm going to be going over stories and writing. Now wait, no, I am not taking you back to English class. Disclaimer, we are not going back to English class. So what do I mean by a story? Beginning, middle, end. It's that simple, yet it is so powerful to keeping your audience engaged and ultimately convert them into customers. All right, now let's get into it. Don't forget to download your free PDF. The link is in the description below. So let's first explain what do we have here. Here we have a story plot organizer. We call it a graphic organizer because we see graphics and we get to organize information. We're going to start with establishing shot. Now in movies, you get to get a feel for what is the setting, what is going on, what time period, and we're going to bring that in for our business video as well. So we're establishing here, rising action. We're not going to go straight into the action. We are actually going to prep our viewer, prep our audience that more action is coming along. As we all know, climax is where all of the action's coming along. It is where most of it's going down. And next we have falling action. Now, falling action is key here because we want to get our audience to understand that, hey, this is ending, get a feel, get prepared. And then finally, our closing shot. This is where we're going to wrap it all up. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, where do I go from here? Right? How do I start with my business? So here are 5 things that you can write down right now. Establishing shot. This is where you are going to show your product or service, right? If you sell products, you're going to show this product. What is it? If you provide a service, you're going to show maybe your truck, maybe your van, your business logo, whatever it may be. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our rising action shot, right? And you're probably wondering, well, that doesn't still clear it up. This is where we're showing our audience or our viewer what your product or service is. If it's food, it could be cooking the food, and we're going to do an example afterwards, so don't worry. Next, our main action. And here is where all of the action's going on. This could be fast-paced, this could be slow motion because we want to show detail, whatever it may be. That is our main action. Next, we are actually going to start closing out your product or service, right? We're going to start wrapping it up, letting the audience know, hey, this video is about to end, so get ready for our call to action or whatever we want our video to be. And as you already know, lastly, closing shot. This is where we're going to show even the first clip again, right? We want the viewer, if they start the video but don't finish it, we want them to know what the product or service was. If they stay through with it, we want to remind them why they watched this video. All right, now let's walk through an example. A few weeks ago, I made a video on make a cereal commercial at home, and I just used the cereal we had at home. And here are the steps I took to plan this video out. First, we are going to show the cereal box. We want people to know what the product is. Next, I poured the cereal from the side. And this was important because I want them to get the detail of the cereal rather than just the box. I went ahead and I wanted the main action to continue, right, from that pouring cereal shot. Here I have pour cereal from the side and then pour cereal top down. Lastly, I was pouring the milk It was kind of like a side slash top view. And then from there, we just closed out the clip, showing the cereal box again, but this time with the bowl, and I came in and I put a spoon ending the clip. So we've planned this video out. I showed you how to do it for any product or business or service, I should say, and I just showed you with how to outline a video for a cereal commercial per se, just so you can get the idea of the sequencing of the story video. And that's really what it is. Video is telling stories. All right, as you saw in the time lapse, I went ahead and I actually drew what the shot would look like inside of the boxes. This is called storyboarding, and I just added that component to the outline. So here, as I mentioned, we have the cereal box, then we have pouring the cereal from the side view, top view of the cereal pour, milk pouring, and then box with bowl. Now all these shots were taken with my iPhone on a tripod, so there wasn't any movement I did with my own hands or my phone. I went ahead and did that in the editing process. But here we are, and let's go ahead and check out that cereal commercial video. All right, now that you have the PDF all filled out and you have the file just to make more copies, go ahead and try it out. If you still feel stuck, go ahead and drop a comment down below with your type of business and the product or service that you provide, and I can go ahead and reply with some tips where you can take the video planning. Now, next week is very important for you to rejoin us because we're going over Hero, Hub, and Hygiene, 3 types of content with 3 different purposes. And also that PDF is already available in the description below, so make sure you go ahead and download it so you can check it out and be ready for next week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are dropping new videos each week to help you with video creating. Also, go ahead and drop a comment below if there's something specific that you want me to cover or if you want some tips on your specific business. Don't forget to check out the videos on the side, and I'll see you next week. Peace.